substances of nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is used in the manufacture of ammonia during Haber process. That's one. We can note this down. Nitrogen is used in the manufacture of ammonia gas during Haber process. Nitrogen gas, it is used to freeze substances due to its long boiling point. Yeah, because nitrogen has got a lower boiling point, yeah, it is used to store body tissues over a long period of time. And for instance, nitrogen, it is used in hospitals to store tissues. Yeah, it stores tissues over a long period of time in hospitals. It is used in the storage of tissues over a long period of time, especially in hospitals, just because it has got a lower boiling point. And because of this low boiling point, it is used in freezing these tissues. And when these tissues are freezed, then they are able to be stored over a long period of time. Still, because of its low freezing point, it is used to store tissues like semen from bulls used for artificial insemination. Besides, it is used nitrogen in food processing. And it is used in food processing because when food is being packed, nitrogen keeps off oxygen and the food stays fresh over a long period of time since there is no oxidation taking place. Let's note down these important points. It is used to freeze substances due to its low boiling point. It is used to freeze substances due to its low boiling point. For this reason, it is used to store body tissues that are required. It is used to store body tissues that are required to last over a long period of time. That are required to last over a long period of time. Take for example, tissues used in hospitals, e.g. tissues, e.g. it stores tissues used in hospital, and it stores bull's semen, and it stores bull's semen for artificial insemination. For artificial insemination. It is used, sadly, it is used during food processing. It is used during food processing. When food is being packed, nitrogen is used to keep off oxygen. Nitrogen is used to keep off oxygen. And the food stays fresh over a long period of time. And the food stays over a long period of time. Because no oxidation is taking place. Since oxygen is kept off by nitrogen, then it means there is no oxidation that shall take place, and this means food shall stay fresh over a long period of time. Firstly, this nitrogen, because of its inert nature, at a low temperature, it is usually pumped in ship's tanks, which do transport crude oil, and this removes traces of oxygen, and this prevents dangerous explosions that would occur from crude oil. This is how important nitrogen is. We can note down this as the last point, as point number 4. Because of its inert nature, nitrogen at a low temperature is pumped into the ship's tank. Is pumped into the ship's tank that transports crude oil. That transport crude oil, and this removes traces of oxygen. This removes traces of oxygen, and this removes traces of oxygen, and this prevents explosion of crude oil. And this prevents explosion of crude oil. Yeah, now let's look at the interesting other part, some other interesting part of some other interesting gas known as nitrogen dioxide. Yeah, let's get now introduced to nitrogen dioxide. And okay, let's discover how nitrogen dioxide can be prepared. Very interesting. Yes, this is a very interesting gas. And as okay, we are going to go further, we are going to discover its usefulness. Its usefulness. Yes, because okay, nitrogen gas, guys, it is so useful. For instance, we are going to discover how it is useful in the manufacture of nitric acid, and how it is useful in the manufacture of other materials. But now let's first discover how it can be prepared. Very important.